Hey friends, if you encounter this error, your Windows license will expire soon, then please watch this video. Now, ideally, an OEM license that comes with a Windows computer does not have any limit. It means that once you have purchased that system with the license, it should go on forever. And the same case is with the retail license. But there is a third category which is for volume licensing, specifically for organizations. Okay, so if you're using volume licensing, then you will be getting this error. So here's what you have to do. There's a command which is slmgr dot vbs space forward slash div. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Okay, and then you can paste it here and hit enter. It will tell you the details of the license. Now, if it was a volume licensing one, it would have mentioned it here. Since mine is an OEM key, it won't mention the same here. But I'll show you in this article on the Microsoft Answers forum. This is what it would look like if you have a volume license. Okay, it would say volume activation, expiration, and the date and all. Okay, so in that case, you will have to contact your organization, and if you purchased it otherwise, then I would say that you have been scammed. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.